Hey there! Are you planning to take the Master Plumber Licensure exam? You are at the right channel. Welcome to our audio review with the aim to help individuals prepare for their exams. In today's topic, we will be defining the terms used in the plumbing practice.
Here is the part 3 of the definition of terms as stated at the Revised National Plumbing Code of the Philippines, or the RA 1378. Are you ready? Let's start.
Labeled. Equipment or materials bearing a label of a listing agency. All labels shall be embossed, stamped or indelibly marked with stickers, glued on the finished product indicating the weight, specifications and logo of the manufacturer. Labeled.
Lateral. In plumbing, a secondary pipeline. In sewerage, a common sewer to which no other branch sewer is connected. It receives sewage from building sewer service connections only. Lateral.
Latrine. A water closet consisting of a continuous trough containing water. The trough extends under 2 or more adjacent seats. Prohibited by health authorities for permanent installations. Latrine.
Lavatory. A fixture designed for the washing of the hands or face. Sometimes called a wash basin. Lavatory.
Lavatory in sets. 2 or 3 lavatories that are served by one trap. Lavatory in sets.
Leaching cesspool. It is a cesspool that is not watertight. Leaching cesspool.
Leader. It is a pipe connected from building gutter to the downspout or conductor. Leader.
Length of pipe. It is measured along its center line. Length of pipe.
Liquid waste. It is the discharge from any fixture, appliance or appurtenances in connection with a plumbing system which does not receive fecal matter. Liquid waste.
Local vent. It is a pipe or shaft to convey foul air from a plumbing fixture or a room to the outer air. Local vent.
Loop or circuit vent. It is a vertical vent connection on a horizontal soil or waste pipe branch at a point downstream of the last fixture connection and turning to a horizontal line above the highest overflow level of the highest fixture connected thereat, the terminus connected to the stack vent in the case of loop venting or to the vent stack nearby in the case of circuit venting. Loop or circuit vent.
Macerating toilet system. It is a system comprised of a sump with macerating pump and with connections for a water closet and other plumbing fixtures, which is designed to accept, grind and pump wastes to an approved point of discharge. Macerating toilet system.
Main. The term used in any system of continuous piping, which is the principal artery of the system where branches are connected. Main.
Main sewer. It is also known as public sewer. It is a common sewer directly controlled by the public authority to which all abutters have equal rights and connections. Main sewer.
Main vent. It is the principal artery of the venting system to which vent branches are connected. Main vent.
Manhole. It is a large opening in a sewer line or part of a plumbing system constructed with sufficient size for a man to gain access therein for maintenance purposes and facility for changes of line and or grade of pipeline. Manhole.
Master plumber. It is a person technically and legally qualified and licensed to practice the profession of master plumbing without limitations in accordance with Republic Act 137, having passed the examination conducted by the Professional Regulation Commission, has received a certificate of registration from the Board of Master Plumbing and possesses the current license to practice. Master plumber.
NAMPAP. It stands for National Master Plumbers Association of the Philippines. NAMPAP.
Oakum. It is a hemp or old hemp rope soaked in oil or tar to make it waterproof. Oakum.
Occupancy. The purpose for which a building is used or intended to be used. The term shall also include the building or room housing used. Change of occupancy is not interpreted to mean change of tenants or proprietors. Occupancy.
Offset. In a line of piping, it is a combination of elbows or bends, which brings one section of the pipe out of line but into a line parallel with the original section. Offset.
PB. It stands for polybutylene. It is a tube made of plastic material and colored black. The cross-sectional shape is normally oval and is denoted by its outside diameter, or OD. Normally used as water service connection from main to meter. PB.
PE. It stands for polyethylene. It is a tube made of plastic material and colored black. The cross-sectional shape is circular and is denoted by its outside diameter. PE.
TEX. It stands for cross-linked polyethylene. TEX.
Pitch. It is also known as grade. It is the slope or fall of a line pipe with reference to a horizontal plane. Pitch.
Plumbing. The art and technique of installing pipes, fixtures and other apparatuses in buildings for bringing in the supply, liquids, substances and/or ingredients and removing them. Plumbing.
Plumbing appliance. Any one of a special class of device or equipment intended to perform a special plumbing function. Plumbing appliance.
Plumbing appurtenance. A manufactured device or a prefabricated assembly or an on-the-job assembly of component parts, and serves as adjunct to the basic piping system and plumbing fixtures. Plumbing appurtenance.
Plumbing firm. It is a sole proprietorship or corporation composed of registered and licensed master plumbers together with allied professionals. Plumbing firm.
Plumbing fixtures. These are approved type installed receptacles, devices or appliances supplied with water or receive liquid or liquid-borne wastes in discharge such as wastes into the drainage system to which they may be directly or indirectly connected. Plumbing fixtures.
Plumbing official. The administrative authority or the officer charged with the administration and enforcement of the National Plumbing Code, or his regularly authorized deputy. Plumbing official.
Plumbing system. It includes all potable water supply and distribution pipes, all plumbing fixtures and traps, all sanitary and storm drainage systems, vent pipes, roof drains, leaders and downspouts, and all building drains and sewers. Plumbing system.
Plumbing unit. A minimum standard quantity of plumbing fixtures that discharge wastes into a plumbing installation including 1 water meter, 1 water closet, 1 lavatory, 1 shower head, and drain for a bathtub or shower stall, 1 kitchen sink, 1 laundry tray, 3 floor drains and 4 faucets. Plumbing unit.
Pollution. It is an impairment of the quality of the water to a degree which creates hazard to the public health and adversely affects the aesthetic and potable qualities of waters for domestic use. Pollution.
Potable water. It is the term used for water satisfactory for drinking, culinary and domestic purposes and meets the requirements of the Philippine national standards for drinking water. Potable water.
Pressure. It is the normal force exerted by a homogeneous liquid or gas, per unit of area on the wall of the container. Pressure. Note the 2 types of pressure. The static pressure and residual pressure.
Static pressure. It is the pressure existing without any flow motion. Static pressure.
Residual pressure. It is the pressure available at the fixture or water outlet. Allowance is made for pressure drop due to friction loss, head, meter and other losses in the system during maximum demand period. Residual pressure.
Primary branch. It is the single sloping drain from the base of a stack to its junction with the main building drain. Primary branch.
Private or private use. In classification of plumbing fixtures, T applies to plumbing fixtures in residences and apartments, to private bathrooms in hotels and hospitals, to restrooms in commercial establishments for restrictive use. Private or private use.
Private sewage disposal system. It is a septic tank with the effluent discharging into a subsurface disposal field, into one or more seepage pits or into a combination of subsurface disposal field and seepage pit or of such facilities as may be permitted. Private sewage disposal system.
Private sewer. A building sewer, which receives the discharge from more than one building drain and conveys it to a public sewer, private sewage disposal system, or other points of disposal. Private sewer.
Privy. It is an outhouse or structure used for the deposition of excrement. Privy.
Privy vault. It is a pit beneath a privy where excrement collects. Privy vault.
Public or public use. In the classification of plumbing fixtures, it shall mean all buildings or structures that are not defined as private or private use. Public or public use.
Public sewer. A common sewer directly controlled by public authority to which all abutters have equal rights of connections. Public sewer. PVC, it stands for polyvinyl chloride. Potable water piping are color-coded blue while drain pipes are gray, orange or brown. TVC.
Quality of materials. It states that all plumbing fixtures and materials used in any discharge or plumbing system or parts thereof shall be free from defects. Quality of materials.
Break time! Definition of terms part 4 will be on the next episode. Link will be posted at the comment section, so make sure to stay tuned. Don't forget to hit like, click subscribe and ring that notification bell to be updated. Good luck!